Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I do want to give a big shout out and thank you to Rosemary, TDR Justice, Christy, as well as Sweetie, Linda, and Diane. I totally forgot to do this in Sunday's video, so thank you guys so much for being the first 3 people to comment under the 5 off $25 scenario video, as well as being the first 3 people to comment on the new coupons video. And speaking of, if you missed out on watching that video, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, now before we get into the clearance list, I do want to go ahead and apologize that this video is getting out so late. Typically, I have this video done Saturday, Sunday, and at the latest, first thing Monday morning. However, over the weekend, we had a pretty big birthday that happened. My baby's turned 16, and I know that a lot of you guys don't know this, but I'm actually a mom of twins, and they're my babies, and they just turned 16, and man, time has literally flown by. I feel like I've blinked, and they're already grown. And I'm sure that there's a lot of moms out there who can definitely relate. So I did try to spend as much time as I could with them this weekend, and that meant putting off getting these visuals together. But I did pull it all together for us today, and we're about to go over all of that information. But first, if you guys want to leave a happy birthday message down in the comment section below, I would really appreciate it, because I am going to show them, and I am sure that that is going to put a huge smile on their faces. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and jump right into this clearance information. Now first up, I do have an update on the red triangle socks. These went down to 50% off a week or 2 ago, and I didn't have any visuals for you all, but your girl went out and I found some red triangle socks. So here are some visuals and UPC codes for this category, and I do have more to add on as these continue to drop in price. Now, while these pictures are scrolling across our screen here, I just want to go ahead and give you guys a quick little update. I have been getting a couple of questions asking about Family Dollar videos and Walgreens videos, and if I have stopped doing those videos, and the answer is no. I just took a couple weeks off to kind of catch up on my personal life, and then before that, of course, we had the big Dollar General clearance event, so that took up the majority of my time, and I just did not have time to focus on any other stores. But we're going to get back on track, we're going to get back on schedule, and back into the swing of things. So you guys make sure that you have those notifications turned on, that way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Alright, so now let's go ahead and jump right into this week's new clearance markdowns, and remember that these will start on Tuesday, March the 28th. Alright, so for our first category, we have back to school stationery going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, March the 28th. Now, this is an older category that has been sitting at 25% off forever. So these items might be a little bit harder to find, but make sure that you guys check up near the registers where they have all those little tiny accessories. You might even have a little section in your store where they keep all the little keychains and pins and things like that. And don't forget to check out the regular stationery section as well. Now, some of these items do have a red dot on the price tag. Again, like I always say, scan, scan, scan before you go up to the register. Now, as this category continues to drop in price, it should go down to 70, then 90, and then eventually penny out. So as those prices continue to drop, I will add more visuals to this category. Like I said, this weekend was just kind of hectic and crazy and all over the place. And I just didn't have time to get everything together for this category. But this should give you a pretty good idea of what to be on the lookout for. Alright, now for our next category going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, March the 28th, we have back to school hardware. Now, I'm not sure who is naming these categories up at DG Corporate, but it really doesn't make sense to me. Here we have a couple of things of duct tape. Okay, back to school, I totally get it. And then here we have car accessories. So we have light strips, interior light strips, 28 inches, and we also have a 24-inch light strip. These are in different colors, red, white, and blue. I believe in both sizes. There are the UPCs on your screen. Then we also have like some interior lights that you can put on your dash. We have cup holder lights. We have lights that go underneath your door for when you open up your door. So again, I'm not quite sure what these items have to do with back to school, but this is what Dollar General has stuck in this category. So here are all of the pictures with the UPC and the regular price. Here on the end, we've got a couple of flashlights. We have a little lock box as well as some pepper spray. Now these might be behind the register, and this is not the pink one. It is the teal one. I just couldn't find the teal one in the correct packaging, so be on the lookout for those. All right, now up next we have another category that is named a little bit weird. I really don't understand it, but it is the fall and winter hardware category. All of these items are going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, March the 28th. Now, I would have named this category something like Brown Dot gift sets or something along those lines, because as we go through these pictures here, you guys are going to notice that a lot of these items are the Premier Finds gift sets, and these actually have a brown dot on the price tag, but they're not following the Brown Dot Home category. They are in their own separate category. So here we have all the fall and winter hardware items. Now, I do have a few more of the Premier Finds gift sets that I do believe will follow this category, but they weren't listed in the memo. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned for that. I'm just going to double check those tomorrow before I post them, and I'll probably just post them in the community tab. And then of course, when these items go down to 70% off, I will include those as well in the video, as long as they're following the markdowns. Now, we are about halfway through this category, and here in just a second, you guys are going to see that the pictures have changed. So like this one right here, this is actually the Snowball Fight Set from Walmart. Here is a moon lamp. So I couldn't find the exact pictures of the items in the correct packaging, but I wanted to go ahead and include these visuals. That way it'll kind of give you guys an idea of what to be on the lookout for. And like I said, a lot of these are just in the regular Premier Finds gift set boxes, so they're kind of brown and green. Now, I do remember taking pictures of pretty much every single one of these gift sets, but somewhere along the line, half of them ended up in my Brown Dot folder on my phone, and I believe the other half is somewhere mixed in with my Christmas pictures. So I'm definitely going to have to go back and try to find those pictures, and hopefully I will be able to update these slides with the actual pictures of the products. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Now, for our next category, we have winter hardware going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, March the 28th. Now, here's a category that actually makes sense to me because we have all kinds of winter items. We have ice melt, we have rock salt, we have plastic to put up over our windows, we have some different window seals, we have ice scrapers for our cars, and the best thing I think in this category, we have hot hands. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm a soccer mom, and out there on those soccer fields, we see it all. Everything from sunshine, sunburns, wind burns, freezing temperatures. I mean, we have to be prepared for pretty much every kind of weather that could possibly happen. So I always stock up during this time. You could find all kinds of deals, whether it's at Dollar General, Amazon, Walmart. Everybody has hot hands on sale right now. So if you use any of these winter items, go ahead and pick them up now while they're on clearance and save yourself a little bit of money. That way you'll be prepared for next year. All right, so rolling on into our next category, going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday, March the 28th, we have our 2023 calendars. Now, I'm not quite sure what's up with this category either, but these things went fast in my area. So once I get some pictures, of course, I will give you guys an update. And last but certainly not least, we have our St. Patrick's Day items going down to just 25 cents starting on Tuesday, March the 28th, which means that they will be pinning out very, very soon. And speaking of the penny list, this week at Dollar General, unfortunately, we do not have a penny list as of yet. Now, if anything happens, of course, I will let you guys know. So make sure that y'all stay tuned, turn on those notifications, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below, and it is completely free. Plus, we are almost to 40,000 crazy couponers. So you guys, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below, and then take a second to share the video, because all of those things really do help me out, and it tells YouTube to put the video into more people's recommended watch list. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.